everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x80071a91. So if you're also facing this error, you can do various things in order to fix it. The first thing that you can do is simply open the command prompt. If you do not know how to open it, you can simply click on the search icon and search for CMD and simply open the command prompt. Now you can see over here the command prompt will be opened. So what you have to do is simply copy this command from the description box below. Press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now after doing that, go to the command prompt. Now what you have to do is paste the command over here. Now you can see over here the operation is completed successfully. After this operation, you can simply go ahead and update your Windows. Now your problem can be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply reset the Windows Update script. For that, what you have to do is go to the description box below. You'll be able to find a link over here. Copy that link and search for it. You'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in this website, what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for download reset Windows Update script for computers running Windows 10. Once you click on it, it will be downloaded. You can simply click on the download icon that you can see right over here. You can see over here, it has been downloaded. Simply click on the open icon in order to open it. Now you can see over here, command prompt will be opened. Press any key to continue. So simply press any key. Now again press any key to continue. Now you can see over here the task has been completed successfully. You can go ahead and restart your computer and check for the updates again. After that, your problem can be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is run another command. For that, what you have to do is simply close this command prompt. Now open the command prompt again. You can see over here I have already opened it. Now what you have to do is copy this command from the description box below. Select this command and press Ctrl C. Now open the command prompt. Now what you have to do is paste that command over here. Press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Press enter. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the task is being completed. Wait until it is 100%. It might take a while. After the task has been completed, you can restart your computer and your problem can be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply use this command that you can see right over here. So what you have to do is copy this command. Now again open the command prompt. Now what you have to do is paste that command over here. Press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now after that, wait for a while and the task will be completed. After the task has been completed, you can simply restart your computer. After that, your problem can be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is try running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. For that, what you have to do is click on the search icon that you can see right over here. Now what you have to do is search for settings. Now you'll be able to find the option for settings over here. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here the settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find the option for update and security and click on it. Now you'll be led to the update and security interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, troubleshoot. Now you'll be led to the troubleshoot interface. You'll be able to find various options. Click on this option, additional troubleshooters. Now you'll be led to the additional troubleshooters interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for Windows Update and click on it. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for run the troubleshooter. Simply click on it. Now wait for a while and it will detect the problems for you. Now the troubleshooter will diagnose and troubleshoot the problem for you. After that, you can simply restart your computer and check for the updates again. After that, your problem can be solved. So that is how you fix Windows Update error 0x80071a91. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.